Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you another look using the Tom Ford Honeymoon palette. This is the quad with 4 beautiful colors. My first look, I did kind of like a brighter look and a bold look, at least for me. But today I wanted to show you how I did this look. This is a more natural, everyday type of look. If you wanted to see a closer look of this quad, I have a video previous to this one that you can look at the swatches, close-ups, because it's really close up, and how it would look like when you first get it. Go ahead and check out that video there. But if you have already watched that and wanted to do a more natural look, then go ahead and keep watching. First, I applied my eyelids with an eye primer. I always use the MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour primer. I have been using this since last year. I prefer this one more to the other one in the pot. This one just lasts really long on me. And if you have oily lids like I do, you should try this out. I will start with the lightest color, the shimmering peach. And I'm kind of using this to set the eye primer and to just basically brighten the eyes. To start, I love doing this because it's just such a nice shimmer. Sometimes I would just do this and that's it. And then next I would apply the sandy color here. I'm applying this on the crease. Sometimes with shimmers, a lot of people don't realize that shimmers such as these on the crease, it looks so pretty. These shimmers are so finely milled that it looks so good on the crease. I use this fluffier brush to kind of blend it out even more. It took like no effort to blend this. Just get a fluffy brush and then do a swiping motion and then you're good. The next color is the dark plum color that just basically translates to a cool brown on my lid. I don't see too much of a purple, but this shade can be very well built up. If you want it to be more subtle, you can leave it the way it is, but if you want some more depth, of course you can just build it up. I really love how this shade blends. It is, since it starts subtle, you don't really have to worry about dark patches sticking to your eyelid, and especially if you have hooded eyelids like I do, that happens more often. And I went back with a fluffy brush to just blend the crease in the dark color. Next, I am taking the lightest shade again. This is the shimmering peach, and I am using a shaded brush by Refer. This is the 02, and I am just packing this on the lid. But I added more oomph to it with my finger, and these are all dry, by the way. I did not wet anything. And then I took this even smaller shader brush. This is by Sonia G. This is called the mini shader, and I am applying it more on the inner corners. And finally, the pinky color. I'm applying this shade on the lower lash line with a pencil brush. This brush is by Shikuhodo. It is so pointy and it is so soft, and that is why I love it. And I have applied a gel liner by Ingla in the shade 77 with Sigma 06 and Ardell Naked Lashes. Here I am finishing in the look by using this Cover FX bronzer. This is the Sun-Kissed bronze shade. It's monochromatic. It has a matte side and a shimmer side. I love using this because my skin is so reactive, but this powders by Cover FX is just so good for my skin. And for the blush, it is the same brand monochromatic blush this time in the shade Warm Honey. I'm applying this in the apple of my cheeks and then buffing it out with a huge, like super huge brush, just to make everything blend, with no stark lines. And finally, this highlighter is my favorite of this month. I love this, just the way it makes the skin look. It definitely enhances your natural glow, and it looks like glass, like you're shining. And with the lips, I'm finishing it off with Charlotte Tilbury Bond Girl lip liner. And I am actually going to fill this all the way in my lips. I just like doing that. because it makes the lipstick last longer. Um, I'm kind of like against lipstick these days. I don't know why I'm putting it on, but this is a matte revolution. Like, it's matte but kind of satiny. This formula is really good, but if you're having a dry skin this winter like I am, I should have just went with the gloss. So I am applying this matching lipstick called Upon Girl, and I think they changed the name. I don't know what it's called now, but it was Bon Girl. This is like a plummy but ready but pinky. I have no idea how to explain it. It's just such a weird shade, but it looks good with this eye look. And this is the finished look using the Tom Ford Honeymoon palette. This is so pretty. I am so glad that it turned out so well, and I think this is gonna be my new everyday makeup look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.